Hi everyone, this is your English teacher, Striker Discom, as you know already. I am so glad to join you in this video. Today, I'm going to teach you about the verb to go and simple present in English. So stay tuned and I'll be back. As I said previously to you, the verb to go and simple present in English. So let's get the ball rolling. For the affirmative form, o form afirmativo, affirmative form, for the verb to go. Do not forget to subscribe. Yes, don't forget to do that. Yes. Say, I go. You go, he, she, and it's not go, the verb change, and goes. He goes, she goes, and it goes. We go, you go, and they go. Ça c'est comme ça, you conjugate verb to go now simple present. For the affirmative form is I go, you go, he goes, she goes, it goes, we go, you go, and they go. Ça c'est comme ça vous formez forme affirmative. For the negative form, vous connaissez ma barre forme négative et forme affirmative. Déjà barre forme affirmative là. For negative form, For negative form, you know, we have the word do not or don't. We can say I do not or don't. I do not go. You do not go. For he and she, it, mbap goes. No, I say he do not go. The verb say go. She do not go, it do not go. M'pap di goes. Jean Kim te di form. He, she, it goes. No, when we have negative form, I don't say he do not goes. No, it's not correct. It's he do not go. You do not go. And they do not go. This is the negative form. Oh, I make a mistake. Excuse me. Is we do not go. You do not go, and they do not go. This is the negative form. I do not go, you do not go, he, she, it do not go, we do not go, you do not go, and they do not go. This is the negative form, and this is the affirmative form. If I want to do a sentence with the affirmative form and the negative form, I can say I go to school. I go to school on Monday. Probably my easy. On Monday. On Monday to to Friday. M'aller l'école lundi ou vendredi. Ou vendredi. I go to school on Monday to Friday. Ok? On Monday to Friday. Si que ou pas capable prononcer jour en anglais, juste après ou fin regarder vidéo ça, allez sur channel moi ou après comment pour prononcer 7 jours qui gagnent dans semaine là en anglais. Ok? Ça c'est une phrase qu'on va faire avec affirmative, forme affirmative là. C'est I go to school on Monday to Friday. For the negative form, I can say I do not go to school. I do not go to school on Monday to Friday. Moi pas aller à l'école to Friday. To Friday. Say on Monday and on Monday to Friday, okay? On Monday to Friday, okay? I go to school on Monday to Friday. For the negative form is I do not go to school on Monday to Friday, okay? I say before. Negative. You can say you go to the church. You go to the church every Sunday. Ou aller à l'église chaque dimanche. You go to the church every Sunday. It's not Sunday. Sunday, okay? After for he, she, and it, you can say she goes to the bank. To the bank. She goes to the bank every month. Li aller en banque chaque mois. For he, you talk about a man, un garçon, ou she, c'est une fille. She goes to the bank every month. Ok? Ça c'est pour forme affirmative. Pour négatif, ou capable dire you go. M'de dit pour forme affirmative, you go to the church every Sunday. Pour forme affirmative, ou capable dire you do not go to the church every Sunday. Et pour they, you can say they go to the supermarket They go to the supermarket every weekend. They go to the supermarket every weekend. Yo aller dans market chaque weekend. Pour negative là, on capable dire for the negative form, you can say they do not go to the supermarket every weekend. Ok? Ça c'est pour forme négative. Pour affirmative, they go to the supermarket every weekend. Pour forme affirmative, négative, capable dire they do not go to the supermarket every weekend. You pas aller dans market chaque weekend. Okay? Now For the interrogative form. Interrogative form of the verb to go. Interrogative form. Vous connaissez, c'est forme interrogative, c'est comment vous poser question avec verb to go in simple present. Okay. For interrogative form is do I. Let's do I m'a parlé de tel point. Do I go? Point d'interrogation. Do you go? For he, she, and it go is does. Does he, does she, does it go? And do we go? Do you go? And do they go? This is the interrogative form of the verb to go in English. I say, do I go? Do you go? Does he go? Là, on fait l'infini. Does he go? Does she go? Does it go? Do we go? Do you go? And do they go? Ça c'est comme ça pour me former interrogative form. Kounye, si je voulais faire une phrase, je voulais poser peut-être une question ça, je parler de I. Moi-même, si je me dis, est-ce que je vais aller à l'école matin? Est-ce que je vais aller à l'école jeudi? I can say, do I go to school today? Do I go to school? Do I go to school today? Interrogative form. Et puis, vous mettez point d'interrogatif là. Ok? Vous posez peut-être une question ça. Do I go to school today? Est-ce que je vais aller à l'école jeudi? Do I go to school today? Ok, ça c'est comme ça pour poser question avec verb to go dans interrogative form. Maintenant, dites-moi, est-ce que je vais aller à l'école jeudi? Je dis, do I go to school today? Okay? If I go, I say, oh yes, I remember I go to school today. Okay? For you, you can say, do you go to school this morning? Do you go to school this morning? C'est une question qu'on va poser avec interrogative form for the verb to go. Do you go to school this morning? Si vous parlez, non, on dit, oh no, I don't go to school this morning. Si vous allez, on dit, yes, I go to school this morning. C'est pour mettre mon exemple avec does. For does is does he, it's a linking here, does he go? Does he go to the church? Est-ce qu'il y a allé à l'église? Là, on va parler d'un garçon. Ok? Does he go to the church? S'il y a allé, on dit yes, he goes. S'il va aller, on dit no, he do not go to the church. Let me give you this example. Do they go to the park? Est-ce qu'il y a allé dans le parc? Un parc là. Do they go to the park? Si you aller, on dit yes, they go. But si you aller, on dit no, they do not go to the park this morning. I think it's enough for today. Jodia, il fait enseigner au verbe To go nan simple present. Mde ba ou forme affirmative, forme négative et forme interrogative. Vous pensez qu'il pourra mémoriser les sons ça et ou pas oublier pour quitter un like et puis ou abonner avec la chaîne là pour faire ça. Pas oublier tout ou partager l'examen, partager la femme, okay? This is your teacher, Strength for this call, and it's a nice moment in this lesson. Goodbye. See you.